70 grams of cabbage, but you can also use selga. And here you can calculate about 4 fingers in length and cut it like this. 2 cloves of garlic, just chop them. 2 centimeters of ginger, cut it just like the garlic. A piece of carrot about 4 fingers long, also cut it like this into thin strips. A piece of bell pepper, also about 4 fingers wide, cut it just like the carrot. Use mushrooms to taste, Paris mushroom, shiitake, shimeji, or any other variety. Cut into small pieces. 3 slices of bacon cut into small pieces. Use canned corn to taste. I rinsed it with hot water. 1 egg fried as usual. And now let's start frying. A little bit of olive oil and saute the carrot. Saute until it's soft. Set it aside. Piece in the same pan. The bell pepper. Here, the bell pepper cooks faster. Done. Here I'm going to add a little more olive oil and saute the cabbage. The cabbage is also pretty quick. Now, the bacon here. The bacon. I don't like to make it too crispy. I think it's great as is, but everyone has their own taste. I'm going to use this oil here to saute the mushrooms, so I'll leave it here. Here, the mushrooms cook quickly and are already done. We're done with the sautéed part. And now, let's prepare our sauce. 1 teaspoon of butter. This has salt, but you can use unsalted as well. Just adjust it. Then, the garlic. Brown. The ginger. Once it reaches this point, we can turn it off. Transfer. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. It can also be tonkatsu sauce. If you don't have either of those, you can use soy sauce, half a teaspoon of this Korean pepper, gochujang. If you don't have it, you can use any chili pepper you have at home, half a teaspoon. It's really spicy. 1 teaspoon of mirin. Wait a moment. 1 teaspoon of sake. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of vinegar, white vinegar. 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil. Half a teaspoon of sugar. Now mix everything together. You can taste it now, and if you want it a little saltier, a little sweeter, or a little spicier, just add more. Now, and now let's assemble, starting with the hot gohan, the carrot, the cabbage, mushroom, the bacon. Finish with the egg. And our sauce on top. A dish with a mix of flavors that's worth making.